Hello friends, I am Dr. Vilas Kalekar. I would like to welcome this series of the Understanding Rubrics of Mind, episode number 22. Today's rubric is Attack Others' Desire 2. It has been an aggressive and violent act against a person or a place. Desire to attack other, though in a reality they may not do so. हिंदी मीनिंग इज़ हमला करना, आक्रमण करना. मराठी मीनिंग इज हल्ला करणे. इतरावर हल्ला करण्याची इच्छा जरी वास्तवात ते तसे करू शकत नाहीत. दॅट इज द हिंदी मीनिंग. मराठी मीनिंग. देन व्हॉट आर द रेमेडीज फॉर द अटॅक्स अदर्स डिझायर टू. फर्स्ट इज एकोनाइट, कोनियम, डलकॅमेरा, आयोसायमस, लॅकॅसिस, Lycopodium, Lycinum, Nux vomica, Sepia, Stramonium, Tarantula and Valerianum. So these are the number of remedies for attacks others desire to. Then we will see the cross references. The first cross reference is impulse, violence to do. Now what is meant by impulse? Impulse is a impelling force, a quick and sudden spontaneous urge to do something, or it is a sudden force or desire to get something. If you act on sudden feeling or thought, you are following an impulse. Sudden or involuntary inclination to act without premeditation. This is impulse, violence to do. The next cross reference, jealousy, kill, driving to. Jealousy means it is envy, being jealous, intolerance of others possessing something. Jealousy is the feeling of anger or bitterness which someone has when they wish that they could have the qualities or possession that another person has. Or it is a feeling of unhappiness and anger because someone has something or someone that you want. This is jealousy. The next cross reference, kill, desire to. Kill means to put death, thinking of killing somebody, usually intentionally or knowingly. This is kill, desire to. The next cross reference, rage, kill, people tries to. What is meant by rage? Rage is extreme anger, fury, violent, uncontrollable anger. Patient get extremely anger. He desire to blame others. Rage is a strong anger that is difficult to control. Rage with biting, rage with blaming others, desire to. It is a violent anger expressed in wild, excited words, gestures, spread with a destructive effect. Or it is a violent anger accompanied with furious words, gestures or agitations, anger excited to fury. Anger rubric refers in general more to the feeling, while rage refers to the behavior. This is rage, kill, desire, tries to. Then thought, persistent, homicide. What is meant by thought? Thought is an idea or opinion produced by thinking or occurring suddenly in the mind, or it is plain idea or notion. Then threatening, kill to. What is meant by threatening? Threatening means to give warning, to make a threat against, or expressing a threat at a harm or violence, or intention to determination to inflict punishment, loss, pain or other evil on another, indicating an intention to inflict punishment or an evil upon the others. That is the threatening, kill, desire to. Then violent behavior. Violent means acting with a marked with or marked by or resulting from a great force or energy, emotional intensity, unnaturally, showing very strong feeling, especially anger, that is violent behavior. Then what is the miasm of attack desire to, that is the miasm is syphilis. Then disease condition or psychiatric condition, first is personality trait, second is hysterical, third is sexual disorder, fourth is hysterical personality, fifth is hypochondria, then sixth is malingering, and last mania. So this is all about the. So friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like, share. We will meet in the next episode with a new rubric. Till then, thank you, goodbye, take care.